In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact an Uber driver via live chat support. Whether you're trying to ask about a lost item or just need to clarify pickup details, using Uber's live chat feature can be a straightforward way to get in touch. Let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your browser and heading over to Uber's official website. Once there, navigate to the home page where all the magic begins. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you're signed into your account. This will ensure a smoother, more personalized experience as you proceed. Now, after logging in and ensuring everything looks good, direct your attention to the menu options at the top or side of the page. You're going to want to click on the Help option, which is usually found quite easily within the navigation links. This section is dedicated to addressing a variety of customer queries and concerns, so that's where we'll find the tools to contact our driver. After selecting Help, you'll be guided to a new page. This section is filled with frequent questions and topic categories. Here, click on Driving and Delivering. Don't let the name fool you. It is here that you get access to a comprehensive resource pool designed to tackle customer queries related to your ride experience. Next, look out for the Ask a Question button. This is where things start to get a bit more personalized. Choose this option and you will be directed to a prompt where you can type in your query or specific concerns. Be as clear and concise as possible here to ensure the best assistance is offered. Typing in issues such as contacting my driver about my last ride or asking questions about something you left behind during your ride works well in focusing your query. Once you've entered your concern, Uber's system should indicate options or provide further steps to reach out to the driver or address your issue. If chat support is available at this point, that will also be a choice you can navigate towards. It's a seamless setup at this stage. Just make sure to provide all necessary details to get the best and quickest resolution to your problem. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to contact your Uber driver via live chat support. Remember, the clarity of your question often dictates the speed and relevance of the response you receive. So take a little time to include all relevant details and background, and you'll be on your way to resolving your query in no time. Keep this guide in your bookmarks so you're prepared the next time you need to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.